No matter how careful you are, scars can become a part of your skin story. They can affect your self-confidence and keep you from feeling your best. But imagine a fast, easy way to lessen the appearance of scars and deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. Rejuran Advanced Intensive Scar Treatment Mask works by taking advantage of skin's nighttime recovery cycle to deliver powerful actives that diminish the look of scars while providing essential hydration and nutrients. The moisture-rich formula can even be used during the day whenever you need a quick boost of hydration.
My name is Eunice, and this is how I rewrote my skin story. Rejuran Advanced Intensive Scar Treatment Mask has been a total game changer for my complexion. I've always suffered from breakouts and used makeup to cover my acne scars, but I still felt shame about my appearance. It even affected my work. Embarrassment from seeing clients stare at my skin would cause me to rush through my tasks and make mistakes. I applied Rejuran Advanced Intensive Scar Treatment Mask every night before going to sleep. It was so easy to use and didn't leave any stains or mess on my pillow. It's super gentle on my sensitive skin. I've even started using it in the daytime whenever my skin feels a little bit dry. In just a few weeks, the appearance of my scars has improved dramatically. Now I feel great about wearing little or no makeup because my acne is under control and the scars have faded completely. I feel more confident, empowered, and free.
I'm Alejandra. Rejuran Advanced Intensive Scar Treatment Mask helped me achieve a smoother complexion and rewrite my skin story. I work in a bank and face hundreds of people every day. My appearance would bother me, and when I started seeing scars from sun damage, I became very self-conscious. I started putting on the scar treatment mask just 3 times a week at night, and what a difference! I began seeing results in just a few uses. My scars were diminished, my pores were smaller, and now my skin feels soft, smooth, and hydrated. It's become my favorite part of my nighttime routine.
Eunice and Alejandra aren't alone. More and more people are discovering the power to diminish the look of their scars and rewrite their skin stories. At night, away from the damaging rays of the sun and other stress factors, skin switches to recovery mode. Natural cellular regeneration doubles, and oxygen flow increases to support heightened repair activity. The skin also becomes more permeable, which makes it more receptive to active ingredients, but also more vulnerable to dehydration. Rejuran's powerful formula is designed to take advantage of this natural recovery mode while providing essential moisture when skin needs it most. Allantoin and hyaluronic acid thoroughly hydrate, while onion bulb extract exfoliates, and chamomile calms the skin. These actives support c-PDRN, a unique and powerful scar recovery ingredient. C-PDRN is a clinically proven marine growth factor that helps build collagen and improve elasticity. It's been used by dermatologists in Europe and Asia for many years, and now it's available in the US without a prescription. c-PDRN helps reduce inflammation, encourages cellular turnover, and promotes growth of healthy new skin, which can diminish the appearance of scars. In consumer studies, 97% of participants noticed improvements in the appearance of their acne scars in as few as 4 weeks. It's your skin story. Discover the secret to diminishing the look of scars while you sleep with Rejuran Advanced Intensive Scar Treatment Mask.